Good morning, children. The revision, standard first. Revision, standard first. So, already I have given you. I will revise once again. So, have and concentrate. Rain poem is there. Rain poem. That is, rain on the green grass and rain on the tall tree. Rain on the housetop, but not on me. Rain in the small pond and rain on the white road. Rain water everywhere, but not on me. Rain in the long river and rain in the big sea. Rain on the hilltop, but not on me. Okay, this poem you have to learn by head, that is rain. Rain. Now, the question number 1. After poem, question number 1. Question number 1. Answer the following questions in one sentences each. What looks green when it rains? What looks green when it rains? The grass looks green when it rains. How is the tree? How is the tree? The tree is tall. The tree is tall. Where is the rainwater? Where is the rainwater? The rainwater is everywhere. The rainwater is everywhere. What is the color of roses? What is the color of roses? Roses are red in color. Roses are red in color. What are yellow in color? What are yellow in color? Sunflowers are yellow in color. Sunflowers are yellow in color. What are green in color? What are green in color? Leaves and cabbage are green in color. Leaves and cabbage are green in color. What is the color of the girl's dress? What is the color of the girl's dress? The girl's dress is pink with a purple bow. The girl's dress is pink with a purple bow. What is the color of your uniform? Your uniform, children? Yes. What is the color of your uniform? You have to write here your answer. You have to write uniform, color of your uniform. Which is your favorite color? Which is your favorite color? Which is your favorite color? You have to write here. Okay, have you understood, no? Now, what is the name of your school? What is the name of your school? So, what will you write? What is the name of your school? You know no school name? The name of my school is Annapurneshwari English Medium School, Pattankudi. You have to write. How do you go to school? Yes, children, how you go to school? You have to write here. If you are coming by bus, you write bus. If you are coming by cycle, write cycle. If you are coming by walk, write here. Where are the children going? Where are the children going? The children are going to the school. The children are going to the school. Which is your favorite food? Which is your favorite food? You write here. My favorite food is whatever it is. What does the mother give them? The mother gives them lunch boxes. What does the mother give them? The mother gives them lunch boxes. How do they go to the bus stop? How do they go to the bus stop? They walk to the bus stop with mother. They walk to the bus stop with mother. Okay? Yes. Now, match the pairs. Match the pairs. Names, relation and answers. I will give the names and relations. You have to write the answer. That is match the pairs. Match the pairs. See here. Green, tall, green, tall, house, small, wide, long, big. Top, pond, grass, sea, tree, road, river. यस यहाँ पे जो दिया है तुम्हारा एक लाइन से दिया गया है, यहाँ पे यही वर्ड्स, यहाँ पे रिलेशन उनका जो है उल्टा पलटा दिया है। देखो ग्रीन टॉप तो नहीं हो सकता ना, ग्रीन लेसन में जो है तुम्हारा ग्रीन ग्रास, तो तुम्हें यहाँ पे रिलेशन आंसर कैसे लिखना है, नेम से रिलेशंस एंड आंसर, दैट इज ग्रीन ग्रास. Tall pond they have given, tall tree यहाँ पे है देखो tall tree. Then small, what will you write here, small का, no, house, top, house top. Then small, what will you write, pond, small pond. Then wide road, see here, R-O-A-D, road, wide road. Then big, what, big wide road I have given, no, long river, R-I-V-E-R, long river. Big, B-I-G, big, that is what will keep, big sea, S-E-A-C. In this way you have to write. Okay. After that, see here, match the pairs again is there, that is page number 37. Pretty pink and red, big yellow, small red sweet, big red sweet, hot green, big white, that is sunflower, roses, apples, tomatoes, cauliflower, chilies. A and B, answer should be written here. Pretty pink and red, roses, you have to write roses, pretty pink and red roses. Big yellow, sunflower, big yellow sunflower, see here it is, big yellow sunflower. Small red sweet, what it is, small red sweet, tomatoes. Big red sweet, that is apples, A-P-P-L-E-S, big red sweet, that is apples, A-P-P-L-E-S, apples. So hot green chilies, big white, what is that, cauliflower, big white cauliflower. Okay, big white cauliflower, it's been given. Now here again the match the pairs is there, that is page number 39. Lunch, conductor, yellow, bus, children. Lunch, this side is given, B side, bus, box, uncle, board and arrives. Lunch box, you have to write the answer, lunch box. Conductor, who is he, uncle, conductor, uncle. Yellow, bus, Then Yellow bus over. Bus. Bus arrives. Bus arrives. Then children. Children board. B-O-A-R-D. Children board. Have you got no? This is match the pairs. Write the names in the given space. This space will be given A and B. From A and B you have to find out and match it correctly and write in the answers. Write in the answers. Page number 30. See here. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. This tree will be given, picture tree. Dash will be given. Here 4 line will be given for you. Dash tree will be given. You must write here tall tree. Tall tree. And then here this picture will be given. Dash, it is a plant, no? Small. Here dash will be given. Here you must write small plant. Small plant, that is fill in the blank. Here dash will be given. These all only pictures will be given. You have to identify and write, that is wide road. Then dash butterfly. What will you write here? Pretty butterfly. Then dash grass. Green grass. Dash lane. That is narrow lane. This is dash will be given here. You have to write big ball. And here nice dress. These lines will be given for you. Picture will be given. Here gap will be given. 4 line का gap दिया जाएगा. यहाँ पे तुम्हें आंसर लिखना है. This picture will be given. Here 4 lines will be given for fill in the blanks. And here you have to write nice dress. Rainy season. Again page number 31. Rainy season. Page number 30 over 31. Rainy season begins in the month of June. Rainy season begins in the month of June. We see black clouds. We see black clouds. We sometimes see a rainbow. We sometimes see a rainbow. We carry an umbrella. This all gap will be given. Okay. 4 lines is there, no? Here you have to fill the answer. We carry an umbrella. We wear raincoat and gumboots. We wear dash and dash will be given. There you have to write the answer. We see snails and frogs during rainy season. We see dash and dash. During rainy season you have to write snails and frogs. Okay. Page number 35, that is fill in the blanks. Read the poem is there. There dash. Here dash will be given. Here ball will be there. Only you have to write here red. Dash teeth. Here you must write white teeth. Dash bow. Purple bow. Black hair. This here 4 lines will be given. There you have to write black. There you have to write black. Black hair. Black hair. Okay. Then page number 35. Write the name of a thing or object you know for each of the following colors. Each of the following colors. This is red. This is blue. This is green, yellow. Then this is pink and this is black. You have to write apple, tomato. वस्तु ये कलर में क्या होता है उसको तुम्हें यहाँ पे लिखना है. Sky ball. Sky ball. Blue color. Leaves, grapes. Leaves, grapes. Yellow. Sunflower, rose. Rose, dress. Rose, dress. Clouds, eye, ball. Clouds, eye, ball. Okay. Then page number 39. The correct ऐसा टिक करना है तुम्हें. The correct statements and wrong the wrong ones. Mother gives them water bottles. Mother gives them water bottles. If it is correct, write correct. If it is wrong, write wrong. Wrong it is. It is a big yellow bus. Correct. The children walk to the bus stop. Correct. The conductor uncle helps the children. Helps the children. Correct. The children wave bye-bye to mother. The children wave bye-bye to the mother, no? Yes, correct. Only one is wrong there. So you have to do in this way. So, arrange the name of the friends and family members of Tania in their alphabetical order. Page number 40, page number 41. See here. Danesh, Kamal, Ajay, Jimmy and Lata. According to first alphabet जो start होता है उससे तुम्हें लिखना है. First one is Ajay, A, D, Danesh, Jimmy, Kamal and Lata. Mother, sister, father, brother, auntie. जो अक्षर पहला आता है तुम्हें उससे स्टार्ट करना है. That is auntie, B, brother, F, father, mother, sister. ABCD तुम्हें आता है ना, उस प्रकार से तुम्हें जो पहला लेटर आता है उसको तुम्हें स्टार्ट करके लिखना है. एंड दिस इज द आइडेंटिफाई, पेज नंबर 41. आइडेंटिफाई द फ्रूट्स एंड व्हीकल्स. राइट द फर्स्ट लेटर ऑफ द नेम ऑफ ईच फ्रूट एंड व्हीकल. नाउ अरेंज देम इन द अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर by numbering the pictures. By numbering the pictures. This is pineapple, apple, banana, orange, and this is grapes. Yes or no? So what you have to do, this is अक्षर पहला जो आता है A B C D उस तरह से तुम्हें लिखना है. एप्पल A, that is 1. Then banana B, 2. Then A B C D E F G, G grapes से G आता है, grapes. This is 3 number. You just put 3. And this is orange O, 4. And pineapple 5. In this way you have to write. This also in the same way. See here. This is ship, car, aeroplane, bullock cart and truck. A is aeroplane, A1. Bullock cart B2. Then car C3. Then 4 ship T last, that is 5. T. Have you got? No? So this is the revision of standard first. I have given you already. Once again I have revised. So children, you just go and do the revision. Write each question answers. Whatever I have solved question answers, fill in the blank. Match the pairs for 3 times and learn by heart, because you have exam now. Again to revised, I have taken this, repeated once again. So best of luck children. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.